Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Vikas Salam. My father name MD Islam. I belong to Aurangabad, Bihar. I have done BCA from Sikkim Manipal University. I, uh, I have 2 year experience from I have 2 year experience front-end developer. My skill are HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, React, and Angular. I currently I currently work in Supro India Private Limited. My lab project, many projects are sartcareer.com, pathmathematic.com, and suproindia.com. And my hobbies are playing cricket and all listening music. And that's all about me. Ask any question if you want.
Describe about your
My company is Supro India. My company is Supro India. There is a 20 member system framework. My Supro India company is a service-based company. Uh, this company is a very good environment and on punctual on team member and my team leader. And Supro India is started since 2017 and all the team member is very good.
how many members are there in your team?
This time, 7 member in my team. No, sorry, 20 member in my team.
What's your designation?
Designation is a front-end developer.
Can you differentiate between front end and back end?
Front-end basically is front-end and back-end. Front-end is a front-end is a look and feel just like front-end is a just like look and feel the in the website with the coding, and the back-end is behind the coding.
Yeah, explain again.
Sorry,
Explain again.
front-end is a look and feel give the any website with the code, have the code, and backend is behind the code and the database work.
Can you describe about client to server communication?
Sorry,
Can you describe about server client to server communication?
server communication.
Client to server communication.
Sorry, बहुत बोल दिया पूरा जला बहुत
What is software?
software is a collection of web pages.
Software is a collection of programs.
Collection of software is a collection of program.
If there will be any conflict with your team member, then how will you resolve that?
First of all, meet my all team member and found uh, ask any problem any team member and found the problem and discuss the all team member very smoothly and very positive solve the problem.
Do you know SDLC?
Yes, I know HDLC. HDLC stand for Software Development Life Cycle. This HDLC progress is first of all planning. After that requirement. After that coding and the testing, or just like lastly क्या बोलते हैं इसको, uploading.
अपलोडिंग को डिप्लॉयमेंट कह सकते हैं.
Lastly deployment, just like HDLC.
Difference between group and team.
Sorry.
Difference between group and team.
Basically, team is a just like team member, just like seven and for one handle the one website created. So seven and team member included, and group is a all office worker is a group member. And team member is a just like seven at work this website.
What's your daily routine in your company?
Sorry. Hello. Again.
Can you explain your daily routine in your company?
My daily routine in my company, first of all, I came uh, my company, Supro India, at 9 p.m. and meet my team leader, and a stand up meeting. Take the team member uh, first of all 5 and 10 minutes and assign the any project. So see the uh, yeah, mail and done my work to the, 1 to 9 to 1 p.m. After that 1 to 2 p.m. lunch time. After that I start the my work uh, 2 to 5 p.m. and lastly closing meeting 10 with my team leader 5 and 10 minutes and after that uh, go go on at home.
How do you handle multiple projects?
Multiple project assigned in my company. So first of all, you use the agile method. Basically, divide my work group part agile method. Use the agile method. Divide my work section by section and improve my time, improve my work, and solve any multiple project.
How do you update with new technology?
Sorry.
How do you update with new technology?
Basically, update my technology with the help internet and just like multiple various type of just W3 school and chat GPT and various stuff available on the internet. So update my technology.
You created 3 lakh project. Which types of project did you created and what's the role of that project?
This time my three live project. So first of all, first live project is sarthcareer.com. Basically, use the teaching land. Just like use the math, mathematically. and physics uh, uh, subject. So in uh, my role is design the project with the code. So and second project is a pathmathematic.com, just like mathematical project. So include the any interested math learner to download the website. I launched the my I have three Supro India private limited project is my company project. So may update the any work in Supro India.
What do you mean by database?
Database. Database is a there are many types of database, just like int float and database. I have no idea.
Can you differentiate between a static and dynamic website?
Can you describe a static or dynamic website?
Static static website is basically use the uh, uh, is- uh, a single मतलब static use के लिए dynamically all the world का मतलब उसको use dynamic static website is a static website हाँ जैसे basically जैसे create a website look at feel just like but seen the all the subject contact वगैरह just like and dynamic project is a database work.
What do you mean by website?
Website is a website is a what do you mean website collection of pages.
Collection of pages.
Website is a collection of pages. Yes,
What's your strength?
strength. My strength is a I am very good learner and listener and very hard work with the help of coding.
Suppose you are team leader in your company. Then how will you control your team members?
I am a team leader in my company. So all team member handle the smoothly and positive thinking and uh, no any conflict any team member and
आवाज इको नहीं
If you create any project that any errors create, so how do you handle that error?
a debugger uh, and check the help of the debugger and check the error any error and the solve the problem.
Please describe about your team.
My team is all the team member very good very thinking and very learner and very good listener and very punctual on the team member and very hard worker and very a smart worker, my team member, and friendly with all the friendly work with all team member.
What's your roles in your team?
My role is a front end developer. So just like with the help of code, any design the button and the nav bar, any gallery. So just like role my team front end developer. Role my team front end developer.
What's your current CTC?
This term my current CTC two lakhs 40,000.
And what's your expected?
My expected CTC is a 4 lakhs 20,000.
Why I hire you?
Because I am a good learner, good listener, I am a hard worker, and I am a punctual on the time and very hard work in my any give the project and before time I have done any project and give give the project in my uh,
What
office.
do you mean by good learner?
I am a good learner uh, because with the help of internet, with the help of W3S skill and R&D, तो already मतलब already मतलब बहुत जल्द very soon learn any code, new code and new technology and update. So
It means you learn with only with the internet.
no, I say without internet I learn, but very use the internet. My learn and improve my skill, improve my coding.
How will you prove that you will be the good learner? With example, please explain this.
Any update, any skill in market improve. So with the help of internet and very soon learn सीख जाते हैं learn देख करके मतलब I seen तो very soon learn
Why do you want to leave your previous company?
because improve my salary, improve my skill, so leave the company.
Where do you want to see after 5 years?
Basically I seen after 5 year basically team leader.
What's your short-term goal?
Basically short term goal, after that टीम लीडर और क्या होता है.
Suppose in your company your boss is not agree with you, so that time what will you do?
My boss is no agree with me, so I understand very well. I try to understand very well my boss, my role, my skill. So so that अरे थोड़ा हल्का हल्का पूछ, हल्का हल्का साला इतना कुछ से पूछना साला। अरे कुछ स्किल वगैरह मतलब HTML CSS जावा से सब कुछ टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन।
What do you mean by markup language?
Markup language, markup language, HTML is a hypertext markup language. HTML is a markup language, basically use the create a template.
I'm not asking about the HTML. I am asking about only the markup language. What do you mean by markup language?
So markup language is a HTML is a markup language. Hypertext markup language basically use the create a template.
Only HTML is not a markup language.
XML is a
There are many markup language, but I want to ask you that what do you mean by markup language? मार्कअप लैंग्वेज से क्या समझते हैं?
markup language, I have no idea.
Can you differentiate between object-oriented language and object-oriented programming language?
So object-oriented language is a loosely typed language. I can't use any compiler, and object-oriented programming language is a very क्या बोलते हैं loosely and strongly typed. Use the compiler.
What do you mean by loosely typed?
Loosely typed is no define the any database and no many security, so that loosely typed, and no use a compiler, is the use that interpreter. Yes.
Can you differentiate between interpreter and compiler?
Interpreter basically use the JavaScript, HTML, CSS, like without checking compile time any error, and compiler is use the Java, Python, C#. So runtime compile check the any code error in the code.
Okay, that's enough for today.
Thanks.
Now next.
Good morning, everyone. I am Madhu Kumari Sinha, married with Mr. B.K. Sinha. I belong to Gaya, Bihar, but I currently live in Aurangabad, Bihar. I have bachelor degree from Magadha University, Bodh Gaya, Bihar. I have hello everyone. Good morning. I am Madhu Kumari Sinha. I belong married with Mr. B.K. Sinha. I belong to Gaya, Bihar, but I currently live in Aurangabad, Bihar. I have done bachelor degree from Magadha University, Bodh Gaya, Bihar. I have done many backend and front-end tools, and now I am a software developer. I am currently working with Shupro India Private Limited. I have done many live projects like ShuproPathshala.com, SaaScareer.com, PathMathematics.com, I have 2+ years of experience in IT industry. I like reading book and listening music. That's all about me.
Please describe about your company.
My company name is Shubro India Private Limited, and it is exist in my hometown, Aurangabad, Bihar. It is a service-based company, and in a company, my my team is 7 member, and it is a development, a train come development company.
Can you describe about your future goal?
Future goal, I become HR.
What do you know about the HR? Why you choose the future goal HR? And what's the use of HR?
Sorry.
Can you describe about your team members?
Yes, of course. My team member is a very smart worker and punctual, and they are very polite.
Why are you switching your job?
For my knowledge growth and also salary growth.
Now, what's your current CTC?
3 lakh per annum.
How do you handle your multiple projects?
Hello, please again repeat.
How do you handle your multiple projects?
According to a requirement.
Can you can you describe about your time management in your company?
Yes, my company login time 9 a.m. And exit timing of 5 p.m. And I come my in my company after 5 minutes to login timing, and after that I join my stand-up meeting. After that, my team leader submit my work. After that, I do work on my project, and 1 to 2 p.m. I take a lunch break. After that, 2 to 5 p.m. I do on project. After that, I join my closing meeting, and I submit my work. After that, I am free.
Please explain about SDLC.
SDLC, that means software development life cycle. Firstly, we do planning. After that, gathering a requirement, and after that designing. After that coding, and